Welcome to our channel, where we explore the incredible ways food can heal and transform our bodies. Today we're diving into a topic that affects so many women: hormonal balance. If you've ever experienced mood swings, irregular periods, fatigue, or other signs of hormonal imbalance, this video is for you. Just a friendly reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. If you have any medical concerns, please consult your doctor. When a woman's hormones are out of balance, it can lead to various health issues. For instance, too much estrogen can cause dry skin, depression, night sweats, brain fog, insomnia, low libido, and vaginal dryness. On the other hand, too little estrogen can result in enlarged breasts, breast tenderness, ovarian cysts, anemia, PMS, and aching in the thighs and legs. Hormones are the body's chemical messengers, playing a vital role in regulating everything from your mood to your metabolism. But when they're out of balance, they can cause a host of issues. The good news? What you eat can have a powerful impact on your hormonal health. The body produces and uses around 50 different hormones, which act as vital chemical messengers. In today's video, we'll share a list of 15 healthy foods that help prevent hormonal imbalances in women. These foods work by healing the glands that control hormone levels, helping to keep them balanced. Let's explore the top 15 foods that can help prevent hormonal imbalance in women. Number 1. Avocados. Many women consume too much junk food, which can lead to high insulin levels in the body. This can damage the pituitary gland in the brain and affect the entire endocrine system. Avocados are one of nature's best superfoods for balancing insulin levels and regulating the ovaries. Number 2. Broccoli. Include some lightly steamed broccoli in your diet to boost your intake of sulforaphane. This compound helps detoxify harmful environmental chemicals. Broccoli is particularly beneficial for preventing hormone imbalances, especially during the monthly cycle, pregnancy, or menopause. Number 3. Cauliflower. If you're consuming too many carbohydrates, your body might produce excess testosterone. Cauliflower can be a great alternative for making healthy pizza bases or as a substitute for mashed potatoes. This helps calm hyperactive adrenal glands, making you feel more relaxed. Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory spice that can help regulate hormones by reducing inflammation in the body. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, also supports liver health, which is essential for hormone detoxification. Number 5. Cinnamon. If you suffer from heavy periods, certain spices and herbs can help reduce pain and cramping. Ceylon cinnamon bark is a delicious spice that can help reduce heavy bleeding by boosting blood circulation. Number 6. Parsley. Parsley is great for supporting a healthy liver, which plays a crucial role in balancing hormone levels in the body. Eating parsley helps remove harmful toxins and endocrine disruptors, aiding in overall hormonal balance. Number 7. Quinoa. Quinoa is a high-protein, gluten-free grain that's rich in magnesium and fiber. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing insulin resistance, a common issue that can lead to hormonal imbalances like PCOS. Number 8. Sea kelp. Sea kelp is one of the best natural foods for balancing hormones. It's rich in iodine, a trace mineral that heals the thyroid gland, balances estrogen levels, and helps clear brain fog at any age. Sea kelp is also fantastic for pregnant women, as it contains 10 times more calcium than milk. You can find it in capsule form for easy consumption. Number 9. Irish sea moss. Irish sea moss is a popular daily supplement among vegetarians and vegans. It's packed with iodine and trace minerals that enhance the function of every gland in the body. This makes it an excellent supplement for menopausal and postmenopausal women. Number 10. Walnuts. Walnuts are excellent for supporting female hormone balance because they contain iodine and selenium. Selenium is a crucial nutrient that helps prevent goiters and swelling in the thyroid gland. Eating a small handful of assorted nuts each day can be very beneficial for your body, but be sure not to overdo it. Number 11. Apple cider vinegar. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and drink it with your meals. This helps your stomach break down food more effectively, allowing you to absorb more nutrients that are essential for hormonal health. Number 12. Green tea. Keeping your body free of toxins is key to maintaining balanced hormones. Drinking matcha green tea, which is rich in chlorophyll, helps remove harmful toxins and purifies the blood. If you don't like the taste, you can also find it in capsule form. Number 13. Kale. Kale is great for detoxifying the body from dangerous environmental toxins like pesticides, heavy metals, and pollutants, which are known as endocrine disruptors. These disruptors can throw your hormones out of balance and pose serious health risks. Organic kale helps cleanse these chemicals from your liver, thereby helping to balance your hormones. Number 14. Coffee. Coffee contains caffeine, which can act as a stimulant and potentially cause issues for your nerves and hormones. However, drinking a small amount of decaffeinated coffee each day can actually be beneficial. It provides boron, an essential mineral for balancing estrogen and alleviating depression and anxiety. Number 15. Beet tops. Beet tops, the leaves found on beets, are one of the best sources of potassium. This mineral helps heal the liver and gallbladder. Eating a variety of leafy greens daily supports your gallbladder in producing bile, which aids in breaking down fatty foods and converting thyroid hormone. By incorporating these 15 foods into your daily diet, you can take significant steps towards preventing hormonal imbalances and supporting your overall well-being. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in how you feel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a balanced, healthy life. Share this video with other women who might benefit, and let us know in the comments which foods you're excited to try.